Hello everyone. Do you know why most of the entrepreneurs fail? Because they are not real entrepreneurs, they are business persons. And there is a great difference between being a business person and being an entrepreneur. Entrepreneurship is ownership. Entrepreneurship is responsibility with ethics. Entrepreneurship is patience. Entrepreneurship is commitment. Entrepreneurship is ideation, creation, execution, and a series of learnings and achievements. Entrepreneurship is a journey. Not everyone can walk through this path. Hi, my name is Alok and I'm the founder of the Business Utopia. With the team of coaches and consultants, we are here to help you become a real entrepreneur. And to be a real entrepreneur, you have to go through a series of learnings, maybe at this stage, maybe even later in your late age, right? So my name is Alok. I'm father of 2 boys, 9 trees, husband to one of the most beautiful princesses of the world. I myself is an engineer, an entrepreneur, traveler, author, blogger, podcaster, a parenting expert and a business enthusiast for the last 20 years, and I'm here helping all you passionate people to become real and true entrepreneurship, wherein you have to have a dream and there has to be a series of paths which we are going to handhold you and take you to that level. So just need to click in here and join us. We are going to talk one-on-one, mind it, it's going to be a very personalized one-on-one to match with your dreams and your strategy of leading towards the success of whatever you have thought in your mind. So looking forward, click in and join us.